Manila, required bang mag-English or is it up to us? Of course, it's up to us. Concept namin to eh. I think yes. Taglish po ba pwede ko?
Yes!
Okay, where we are now, it all started with a pangarap, right? But with a paghihirap and dedication, our pangarap.
So we all know what like girl math is and Filipino math. What's beanie math?
Grabe, ang tatangkad nila, guys.
What's up, Vancouver?
Sana all?
I say I'm too late. Got nothing in my brain. That's what people say. That's what people say. I go on too many dates.
English or is it up to us?
But I keep cruising.
Nung bata ako, maliit ako. Ngayon matanda na ako, malaki na ako. For my dream,